This is a backup file created by older versions of Paragon or Acronis. It contains your hard drive data. You need the specific backup software to mount and restore it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's recover the data. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure PBF formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. The PBF is digitally recognized globally as belonging to the data file family. The final archival is processed via the Acronis True Image Backup method. A PBF file is associated with Paragon Backup and Font, representing a backup archive created by Paragon software. It may contain system images, application data, or user files alongside font-related information. These files are crucial for system recovery and restoration, ensuring data integrity in case of hardware failure or data corruption. The format is proprietary to Paragon. The PBF file format is designed for efficient storage and retrieval of backup data. It incorporates compression algorithms to minimize file size and may include checksums or other error detection mechanisms to ensure data integrity during the backup and restore processes. The internal structure is specific to Paragon's backup software. The PBF format is inextricably linked to the application Paragon Backup and Recovery from Paragon Software Group. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows provides partial information, so understanding the contents requires relevant tools. To resolve the application failure, right-click your PBF file and choose Open With. Check for Paragon Backup and Recovery and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If your PBF file still refuses to open, stay calm. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, use Paragon Backup and Recovery. Use the Paragon software suite to open the archive and initiate a system or file restoration. Next, mount the image. Use Paragon's utility to mount the PBF file as a virtual drive to browse and copy specific folders or files. Finally, verify archive integrity. Use the built-in integrity check tool within Paragon to ensure the backup is not corrupted before attempting a restore. If basic programs can't resolve the issue, the PBF file requires a tool with strong file recognition technology. This method is worth a try for difficult PBF files. You need the power of file magic. It's the only tool I know that can instantly show the contents of a problematic PBF file, even if the extension has been wrongly renamed. Get it now at filemagic.com. Your viewership is awesome. Please like the video and subscribe to catch more of my expert content. Hope your file stays open.